The Ammaco Alpine Sport mountain bike with a solid alloyed frame is built to last while being light enough to translate your efforts into sheer speed, and the saddle was designed with comfort in mind. High quality components help to deliver that feel-good factor when blasting along trails. A zoom front fork absorbs bumps on rugged tracks. 21-speed Shimano gears provide smooth shifting up hills, and confidence-inspiring stopping power is delivered by mechanical disc brakes. Hello, I'm Wayne and welcome to ShoeBoxTech. This is a channel all about my passion for technology, and I hope you can share in that with me. There'll be lots of unboxings, reviews, on a shoestring budget gadgets and how to create a smart home.
How to lock your kids up, while doing YouTube videos, all that kind of stuff.
Welcome to my channel. I hope you get something out of it and enjoy it. This is Faith and this is Zach. At the moment Zach's trying to train his hair to grow backwards, hence the headband. We're currently in lockdown, so we're locked in the house for the past few weeks in fact. And the sun has been shining, the weather's been great. Zachary already has his own BMX bike. Faith has her own push bike, don't you, Faith?
Yeah,
What type of bike is it?
An
Elsa bike. And what type of scooter have you got? Peppa Pig scooter. And what about you? What's your BMX like?
Good.
It's good. What colour?
Black.
And gold. Black and gold. So there's one of us who hasn't got a bike, and that's me. So we decided we need to go out and exercise. So I need to get myself a bike. This is a quick review of the Ammaco. Mummy doesn't have a bike. Alpine Sport. It's a 27.5 inch wheelbase, front wheel suspension, men's mountain bike. I've gone for the 16 inch frame because of my size. I'm really quite short. So this is our quick unboxing and setup of a new men's mountain bike. So this has got a lightweight alloy hardtail frame. It's got zoom front suspension forks with front and rear mechanical disc brakes. Shimano 21 gear RapidFireShifters. Triple chainset. 170mm cranks. Shimano front and back Derailleur. Shimano TZ500 cassette, and the 650mm wide handlebars with double wall alloy wheel rims, and the tyres are Mitas 27.5 inch, and the frame is a 16 inch frame with colour grey and red, and it comes 90% built